Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. We will present the material about what is entrepreneurship in education. My name is Shawa Agustia, which is the number A1B223004, and then my friend.
My name is Indah Mariama with student number A1B223026.
And my name is Devinta Aulia Putri with student number A1B22098.
Okay, next material will be present from Indah Mariama.
Okay, thank you for moderator. So, on this slide, I want to explain why entrepreneurship in education is important today. In the 21st century, education is not only about getting good grades or memorizing information. Students need more than just academic knowledge. They need creativity so they can generate new ideas. They need critical thinking so they can analyze problems carefully. They also need collaboration skills because in real life we usually work in term not alone. Besides that, students must be able to solve problems and adapt to change. The world is changing very fast, especially because of technology and globalization. So schools cannot only focus on theory. That's why entrepreneurship in education becomes important. It helps students develop these important skills and prepares them for real life challenges. Before we talk about entrepreneurship in education, we need to understand what entrepreneurship actually means. Entrepreneurship is not only about starting a business or becoming rich. Basically, entrepreneurship is about acting on ideas and opportunities. It means when you see a problem or a chance to improve something, you don't just complain, you take action. Entrepreneurship is also about creating value for others. This value can be financial, like making profit, but it can also be social value, for example, helping the community, or culture value, like promoting local culture. Another important part of entrepreneurship is managing uncertainty and risks. Entrepreneurs are not afraid to try new things, even when the results are not guaranteed. So, in simple words, entrepreneurship is about ideas into action and creating something meaningful. And then now, what does entrepreneurship mean in education? Entrepreneurship in education means integrating an entrepreneurial mindset into the learning process. It means students are encouraged to take initiative, be creative, and think independently. Instead of only listening to the teacher, students are given opportunities to solve real life problems. They might create projects, design solutions, or work on activities that produce real value. So, learning is not only about understanding theory, but also also about applying knowledge in real situations. The main focus here is learning by doing and creating value. Students become active learners, not just passive receivers of information. In this way, education helps students develop not only knowledge, but also confidence, creative, and responsibility. That's all for me.
Okay, I will explain the next slide. Wide and narrow perspectives. In entrepreneurial education, there are two main perspectives, the narrow perspective and the wide perspective. For the narrow perspective focuses mainly on business creation. It includes writing business plans, developing a venture, preparing for a self-employment, and then in this perspective, entrepreneurship is understood as starting and managing a business. The main goal is to prepare students to become entrepreneurs in the economic sense. So entrepreneurship here means creating a business. And then wide perspective, the wide perspective is broader and more flexible. It focuses on creativity, initiative, opportunity recognition, problem solving, and innovation in any field. In this perspective, entrepreneurship is not only about business, it is about developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Students learn how to think creatively, take initiative, solve real-life problems, create value in different contexts. For example, students may design solutions for school problems, create social projects, or develop innovative ideas in any subject. So here, entrepreneurship means creating value, not only money. Next. 3 approaches in entrepreneurial education. First is teaching about entrepreneurship, theory and concepts, understanding entrepreneurship as a subject. And then teaching for entrepreneurship, preparing students to start a business, and then business skills development. And last is teaching through entrepreneurship, experiential learning, and then real projects and value creation. Next. Okay, next is entrepreneurial competencies. Entrepreneurial education develops 3 main components. First is knowledge. First is understanding opportunities, basic concepts of value creation. And then second one is skills. Skills, we have communication, leadership, teamwork, strategic thinking, and then opportunity recognition. Next is attitudes. We have self-confidence, initiative, creativity, perseverance, tolerance for uncertainty. Next.
Next is why is it important? Entrepreneurship in education is important because it encourages student motivation and engagement, and then learning becomes more meaningful because students can see real results from their work, and then it encourages innovation and prepares students for future career, and it also supports economic and social development in society. And then difference from traditional education, there are clear differences between traditional education and entrepreneurial education. Traditional education is teacher-centered, focuses on theory and memorization, and students often work individually in a passive learning environment. On the other hand, entrepreneurial education is student-centered. It focuses on practice, value creation, collaboration, and active learning. Students are not just receivers of knowledge, they become creators. Next. Classroom entrepreneurship in education can be implemented through various activities. For example, students can design solutions for school problems, organize social campaigns, create small product or service, or collaborate with the local community. Project-based interdisciplinary learning is also an effective method. Through these activities, students learn while creating real impact. And the challenges, however, there are some challenges. These include limited time and resources, lack of teacher training, difficulties in assessment, and resistance to new teaching methods. But with proper support, training, and policy alignment, entrepreneurial education can be successfully implemented. So that's all from me.
Okay, last is conclusion. Entrepreneurship in education is not only about starting a business, but about developing a mindset that helps students create value in any field of life. By integrating knowledge, skills, and attitudes, entrepreneurial education prepares students to become creative, confident, and adaptable individuals. It shifts learning from passive memorization to active problem solving and real world impact. In the 21st century, education must empower students not just to find jobs, but to create opportunities contribute to society, and respond to change with innovation and resilience. Entrepreneurship in education is therefore a powerful approach to preparing students for the future. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.